بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum. Gravity in Quranic Astronomy Part 1. No matter, no gravity. Gravity is in operation only between materials. In the beginning there was no matter and gravity. How the creation began. Building blocks of the material creation. Allah, SWT, made all the heavenly bodies including the stars, galaxies, planets, meteors, comets or other small solid materials as well as gases, smoke, elements, atoms, and subatomic particles from the energy as is stated in the Quran. Quran 51:47.
والسماء بنيناها بأيد وإنا لموسعون.
We have built the heaven with might, energy, and we, who are continuously expanding the vastness of heavens, as well as increasing the use of energy. There was only energy, which was transferred into materials like energy strings, quarks and other subatomic particles, atoms and all other elements, like metals, non-metals, gases, liquids etc. The energy is converted into matter. Therefore the matter can be converted to energy. This shows that the matter and energy are interconvertible. Albert Einstein's above formula partially proves this fact. His idea enabled people to make atom bombs which creates a large amount of destructive energy from the matter. The Holy Quran predicts that its truth will be made clear to the people as the time advances.
وَلَتَعْلَمُنَّ نَبَأَهُ بَعْدَ حِينٍ.
And most certainly you will come to know about it after a time.
سنريهم آياتنا في الآفاق وفي أنفسهم حتى يتبين لهم أنه الحق أولم يكف بربك أنه على كل شيء شهيد.
We will soon show them our signs in the universe and in their own souls, until it will become quite clear to them that it is the truth. Is it not sufficient as regards your Lord that He is a witness over all things? The energy is converted to matter. The same energy is used for continued expansion of the matter in turn is producing different forms of energy. The energy the sun produces is partially used on the earth for the purpose of food production. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants produce food for its own growth and for all other forms of life. Life on the earth is mainly due to the presence of the sun. It supplies light, heat and many other forms of energy directly and indirectly. These days solar power is used for producing electricity. The sun controls the weather patterns, ocean waves and tides etc. Similarly, enormous activities are going on in other stars and cosmic bodies. All these can be attributed to the original energy used for creating cosmic bodies. This represents the formation of a helium atom from 4 atoms of hydrogen. 4 hydrogen atoms produce 1 atom of helium by a fusion reaction. The result is a loss in weight as well as the formation of new bonds and giving out energy. This is what the background picture represents. A combination of gaseous hydrogen resulted in large gas balls like stars and the sun. It is interesting to imagine that gravity has such capability of bringing atoms of hydrogen together to form enormous stars which are millions of times larger than our Earth. All the bodies which exist in the space including our solar system are held together by orbits of gravity. 13.2. Allah it is who raised up the heavens without visible pillars, supports/gravity. 31.10. He has created the heavens without pillars, supports/gravity, that ye can see.
الله الذي رفع السماوات بغير عمد ترونها ثم استوى على العرش وسخر الشمس والقمر كل يجري لأجل مسمى يدبر الأمر يفصل الآيات لعلكم بلقاء ربكم توقنون.
Allah is He who raised the heavens without any pillars that you see, and He is firm in power, and He made the sun and the moon subservient to you. Each one pursues its course to an appointed time. He regulates the affair, making clear the signs that you may be certain of meeting your Lord.
وَالسَّمَاءَ رَفَعَهَا وَوَضَعَ الْمِيزَانَ.
And the sky He hath uplifted, and He hath set an equilibrium between the cosmic bodies due to mutual gravitational pull.
خلق السماوات بغير عمد ترونها وألقى في الأرض رواسي أن تميد بكم وبث فيها من كل دابة وأنزلنا من السماء ماء فأنبتنا فيها من كل زوج كريم.
He created the heavens without pillars as you see them, and put mountains upon the earth lest it might convulse with you, and He spread in it animals of every kind, and we sent down water from the cloud, then caused to grow therein vegetation of every noble kind. Individual atoms and molecules come together due to gravity. In the absence of any other disturbing or opposing force, the gravity produced in between hydrogen atoms/molecules plays a very significant role to make such enormous objects like stars of huge size. This process is called accretion, accumulation. As the amount of hydrogen increases, the size of the star enlarges. The larger the size, the greater the gravity. As the gravity and pressure increases, so does the production of heat, light and disintegration by explosion. The resulting product is less in weight than the total weight of the 4 hydrogen atoms. This fusion reaction results in giving out energy. Out of the 4 electrons of the 4 atoms, 2 are used for producing 2 neutrons. The other 2 are in the electron orbits of helium atom. Here are 4 hydrogen atoms fusing together to form 1 helium atom. This is what is happening in our Sun. In stars larger than the Sun, the fusion reaction produces higher elements as shown in the table below. Higher elements are produced by fusion reaction in huge stars at multimillion degrees Celsius under enormous pressure due to gravity. The production of higher elements due to nuclear reactions increases the density, heat and light of the star, resulting in an explosion. They explode and disintegrate as black holes, other type of stars, planets, meteors, meteorites, gas, smoke, etc.
وَالنَّجْمِ إِذَا هَوَى.
I swear by the star when it goes down.
فَإِذَا النُّجُومُ طُمِسَتْ.
So when the stars are made to lose their light.
إِذَا الشَّمْسُ كُوِّرَتْ.
When the sun is covered.
وَإِذَا الْكَوَاكِبُ انتَثَرَتْ. وَإِذَا الْكَوَاكِبُ انتَثَرَتْ.
And when the stars become dispersed. Some meteors fall onto the planets like our Earth. Russia is the location of a recent meteor strike. The black stone of the Kaaba is also a meteorite. Quran says that the metals like iron has been sent to Earth in this way from outer space.
لقد أرسلنا رسلنا بالبينات وأنزلنا معهم الكتاب والميزان ليقوم الناس بالقسط وأنزلنا الحديد فيه بأس شديد ومنافع للناس وَلِيَعْلَمَ اللَّهُ مَن يَنصُرُهُ وَرُسُلَهُ بِالْغَيْبِ إِنَّ اللَّهَ قَوِيٌّ عَزِيزٌ.
And we have made the iron, wherein is great strength and advantages to men. Thank you for watching this presentation.